This is James from Burton Waters Boat Sales in Ipswich. I want to take you around this stunning Jeanneau Leader 9 that we have just listed for sale. It is our own stock boat. She is a 2010 boat and she has got twin Volvo D3s with 200 horsepower engines. We'll take a step aboard in the moment, but you've got these lovely modern windows down the side here with opening portholes, really good decks as well, and it's got good access from the bathing platform on this boat. The nice thing with this boat is it's got the electric hardtop roof, which is a really nice feature to have. Certainly makes it a lot easier if you're just going out and you don't want to have to take all the canopies off. So you've got this lovely bathing platform on the back here, and if you denote on the starboard side here, you've got a nice easy step up onto your side deck. So to go and pull your fenders and everything in once you're going out to sea, or go and put them on when you're coming back in. We've also got the bathing ladder on the back here. You've also got a towing eye as well, so if you want to tow a Ringo or something behind you, maybe even have a go at water skiing off the back as well. So let's step aboard. As you can see, she's got a lovely teak deck, and that flows throughout into the cockpit itself, where you've got this really generous seating area, U-shaped, with this table which folds, so you can take the table down to a smaller table just to give you more room and movement around the boat, but absolutely excellent if you're moored up and having lunch with a few friends, or if you're just cruising along and you just want to chill out. Also in the cockpit here, we've got hot and cold water and a little sink, which is a nice feature to have. You've also got a heating outlet on this boat as well. So yes, this boat has got Webasto heating. I think it was put in about 3 or 4 years ago, so it's not a very old heating unit either. And then you've also got your all-important cockpit fridge here as well, which is a lovely feature to have. Handy enough, right next to the helm seat. So obviously if you're cruising along and want a bottle of water, you can just lean round and grab it. Here we've got this brilliant electric roof, which slides back. It's a proper solid hard roof as well, which is really nice. And it's literally just touch of a button and it'll close. So coming up to the helm here, there's some really good features. One I'll show you in a minute so that Tom can get to it. But first of all, on here, we've got obviously all your engine dials. We've got a nice up-to-date Raymarine chart plotter. This is current. You can get charts for it as of today. And it's already got the chart for this region in here as well, which is a nice feature. And it's all touch screen as well. So it's nice and easy to operate, a bit like an iPad. You've also got your VHF radio, bow thruster, and also this is on the EVC controls. Nice thing with these is it's twin engine. You should find the boat really easy to manoeuvre, and with these electric throttles it's click in gear, click out of gear, so it does make it for a very much easier driving experience, especially when you're in confined quarters as well. And then you've got all your controls and switches along here, as well as your fuel gauge as well. Now I just want to show you a little feature down here. It'll be a bit hard, but Tom's going to try and get in there. So when you are coming into more, or if you want to feel the wind in your hair, you can drop this down, and that then enables you to stand up, and as you can see, clear vision. I'm straight out looking through the roof, and you can feel, if you're cruising along at speed, you can feel the wind in your hair and everything as well. Great ventilation into the head, so you've got a nice opening hatch, so if you do use it as a shower, you've got a great way of letting all that steam out. And then you've got this lovely window area here, which gives plenty of light down into the actual saloon and galley area. So come down into the saloon. We've got nice table here, area here. This can convert and turn into a double berth, and it will make a really big double berth. But note, you've got these really big windows going out as well. So the nice feature is, if you are sitting down here on your boat in the marina, you've got plenty of light coming in, but you can also see out. Plus you've got an opening hatch overhead with a blackout blind as well. And also the other nice feature of this boat is you've also got a TV, and it's a fairly big sized TV just on the wall there. So when you're connected to shore power, you can have all your comforts of entertainment and everything else. Also, as I said, this boat's got the heating on it. It's got the 7-day programmer, and obviously you adjust your temperature of your heating accordingly to what you want. And then if I just head up here towards the galley, you've got a nice microwave oven here. Again, that'll work when you're on shore power. Great if you're getting something from, say, Marks and Spencer's, Waitrose. Save you eating out. Plenty of storage in here as well for your plates and so forth. We've got a dehumidifier on here at the moment, just keeping any moisture out of the boat because we are still in winter. And then you've got this really big 3-burner gas hob as well, which is a nice feature to have. And then just down here, you've got self-opening bin. And then in this one here, you've got your second fridge. Again, with an ice compartment, same as on the other one, you've got an ice compartment. So if you want your gin and tonic and you want your ice, you can have that as well, with plenty of storage options just down here. Now, if Tom just pans round to the right, and he'll take you into the aft cabin. So this is a really nice spacious area. It's got the infills there for the saloon, and which makes a massive berth, it must be said. And you've also then got a little seat in there as well, which is a nice feature to have. Really is a good setup and makes for a nice sort of owner's cabin, as it were, with plenty of storage. And then if we go down the side here, you've then got your head, which has got your electric toilet. You've got hot and cold water in there as well. All goes to a holding tank. Storage in the vanity units above, and as you can see, plenty of light coming into the boat itself. It really does set itself up as a lovely, open, light boat to have. And obviously we've got that lovely cockpit up here as well, where we started. And as you can see, it really is quite generous. Plus you've got plenty of storage on the boat as well. So this compartment here, if I just lift this up, this gives you storage down into this area here. You've got 2 opening leaves to it as well, completely separate from the engine room. So you've got plenty of places to put your bits and pieces. So really good for storage, great 4-berth boat. Great boat if you've got friends and family coming down with all this entertaining space. And with the nice big windows, you've got plenty of light coming in and plenty of visibility around you, but also with that beautiful part of having the electric roof. And obviously you can take these canopies off, and it really does then open the boat up. I hope you find this video of use. Just gives you a better idea of the boat. Obviously the best way to do this is come down and see us at Ipswich. Thank you for watching.